Do I really have to do this? Fine. Disclaimer, the following is non-puppet fan-based. Fandubbed, Cookie on Oven Brick, Cookie on Puzzle Road, Cookie on Kingdom, Cookie on Witch's Castle, and Cookie on Towers of Adventures are all owned by Depsis. Please support the official release. We're really here. The unconsciousness of the slumbering moon. Now that we're actually here, I wonder if it's okay to be here. But then again, if it's a train falling along a dream, I mean, surely the slumbering moon is a rare bit, right? Which means we're here because the slumbering moon wanted us to. I think she wants to tell us a special story. Alright then. We've reached the realm of deep unconsciousness. So deep, so distant. Even I'm feeling drowsy. Anyway, why don't you go take a look? The dream of the slumbering moon herself. Okay, this hard-working train conductor is gonna take a small break. I wonder, was the moon over there a nameless star once as well? Whether it's fate or pure coincidence, I pray every night, thankful that the wizards happen to settle right here, where the moon shines the brightest. The reason why I love this time of the day is because I hear a friendly voice, even though I cannot remember who it belongs to.
All memories fade, but you can't forget the happiness you felt. At that moment, no one can take that away from you, because that is yours, and yours only. Yes, that's true. After all, that's the most crucial ingredient in new cookies.
Could it be the kind moon speaking of these rum thoughts?
Welcome to the City of Wizards, Moonlight Cookie. We have been waiting for you.
It is you who created me.
Yes, we are the wizards that created you.
Now tell us, what do you see? I see bookshelves full of books, plus holding bubbling mysterious secrets. I see a replica of the sky, simulating the movement of the stars. I see magical ingredients, tools, interesting illustrations, and texts. The stars are twinkling and the moon is saying hello.
Yes, the moon. Your powers. Your life comes from the kind moon. You will now join us in our great research. It is my hope that you can appreciate the wonders of magic and research, the very thing that gave life to cookies.
Where is this used? What does the spell do? Oh, so you can use the spell here. Endless possibilities. How beautiful. Why don't you use this for the 13th spell for the constellation charm? It'll raise the accuracy of the charm. You're absolutely right, Moonlight Cookie. Thank you for your precious advice.
This will be the planetarium. It'll allow us to observe the movement of the stars whenever we want.
The wisdom of the wizards truly know no bounds. I didn't know it was possible to create the night sky. The countless stars of this land will forever sing of your wisdom.
Such a beautiful blessing. Thank you, Moonlight Cookie. But you see, to be honest, The fact that we humans are only a speck of dust in this entire universe gives me reassurance. Sometimes the thoughts in my head feel so overwhelming, as if they're gonna crush me into nothing. That's when I look at the stars and find guidance. They shine the path and show me who I am. A small, foolish nobody.
But you're the oldest and wisest wizard there is. You're not a foolish nobody, not at all. And thoughts are abstract concepts. How can they crush you when they weigh nothing?
One day, you realize the folly of the wizards is that they tend to forget how foolish they are. They're the type to chant spells, gazing at the stars of the sky, only to trip and fall on a rock from the earth. Moonlight Cookie, what do you think of this book?
Wise one, how are you hurt? Is everything okay?
It's fine. It's fine. You don't have to worry about me. It looks like my stargazing time is almost up. You see, the universe out there is too grand for one wizard, and it doesn't like it when something so insignificant forgets its place and comes too close. It will zap them with a laser that will make your body grow old and sick, disintegrated into crumbs. So you cookies are the only ones that can freely travel across the galaxies. Do you understand how precious and important you are, Moonlight Cookie?
Crumbs? Wizard? Like a cookie?
Yes, just like a cookie.
But I thought the wizards are eternal. Are you saying goodbye?
Oh, Moonlight Cookie, you should know by now that nothing is eternal. Goodbyes mean that you get to say hello again.
But if you're gone, won't I become a nameless star again?
You know that's not true. Please do not dwell on such thoughts. You are Moonlight Cookie, and that won't ever change. Think of it this way. You can be in charge of naming from now on. Moonlight Cookie, you are the guiding light when only darkness can be found. There is no one be picking up that name as much as you. The light you carry will show you your next path. But if you ever feel lonely, try closing your eyes and soar into the night skies. The dreams will show you whatever you wish. The great sage has passed away. May he rest in peace. Excuse me for being curt, but about that cookie under his care.
Yes. He was wise, but a bit naive, if you ask me. He treated it like a bird in a cage when its powers could surmount to greater progress. We cannot afford such leisure now. Moonlight Cookie must serve the city's magical needs. It is I that designed Moonlight Cookie. I will not allow you to use her for your personal agenda.
I believe the most logical option is to have her relocate to my lab and help out my research.
A personal agenda? Do you even hear yourself? Mind you, it was I who prepared her dough and ingredients. Let's decide with the vote. The majority isn't always right. As wise wizards, let us respect the cookie's wishes.
Moonlight Cookie, what do you wish to do?
I wish the wise ones to research and discover in peace, in harmony. I only wish that we all come together and do our best for the betterment of the city. so that the wise wizards and their special cookies continue to achieve dazzling feats over and over.
She's dreaming.
I didn't know she was capable of such magic. You there, was this your intention when you designed her? Nay, I do not possess the ability to create such wonders. Are you not the one that prepared her ingredients? Perhaps it's the power of the infinite stars from the night sky soup. It is remarkable to say the least. Almost like a miracle.
I have a suggestion to make regarding Moonlight Cookie. Why don't we all work together and build a clock tower that controls the skies of the city? The clock tower will be the beacon for wizards, an accumulation of all of our research.
I continue to dream. A dream within a dream, and a dream within that dream. I pray that I do not awaken from this dream, for I am with everyone in my dreams. But there's always a voice I cannot seem to recall.
Moonlight Cookie, I am passing on to you the most wonderful secrets of magic. But if those with bad intent realize that these secrets, you will have no choice but to be dragged into a fight you do not wish to become a part of. Which is why I am going to lock away our conversation within the deepest depths of your dreams. Now, when you open your eyes, you will no longer remember this moment.
I will never forget you. I will always be waiting.
All memories fade, but you can't forget the happiness you felt at that moment. No one can take that away from you, because that is yours, and yours only. Yes, that's true. After all, that's the most crucial ingredient in your cookies. Oh, enchanting Moonlight Cookie, you are the beginning and end of all dreams, where countless wizards came from and will return to. It was a joy creating you. Now, until we meet again.
Are you saying goodbye?
Oh, Moonlight Cookie, you should know by now that nothing is eternal. Goodbyes mean that you get to say hello again.
In the world of dreams you guard, other cookies are free to go where they please, right, Moonlight Cookie? At times like an April shower nobody expects. At times like a creeping bug over a morning pond. In my realm, dreams never cease to thrive. Some dreams promise a warm embrace, just like an old friend. Once favorite verse of a poem. But why do you ask about dreams, my brother Stardust Cookie? Once I had a dream about a star. Or was it about a cookie wandering the distant corners of the universe? I recall a sense of belonging. I barely remember, yet whenever I think about this dream, something within my chest aches. And ever since I arrived at the city of wizards, this feeling has grown stronger. I began wondering if I could find traces of this dream somewhere within your realm. Moonlight Cookie? Moonlight Cookie, did you fall asleep? Are you trying to locate my dream? Suddenly, I feel drowsy too.
Wizard Base, do you copy? This is Meteor 1. I repeat, this is Meteor 1. It is now day 178 since my departure from the City of Wizards. My destination, the Sugar Swan constellation, is finally within our reach. Over. My primary objective, Vega, is indeed an astonishing star. As instructed, I'll plot the course to Vega.
Well done, Meteor 1. Your mission is to gather the needed data and blow the star up. Make sure to withdraw as fast as you can.
What? This wasn't in the briefing. My objective was to investigate the nature of Vega's gradual delumination, and then use alteration magic too.
It pains me to tell you this, but after your departure, the astronomers' simulations clearly indicated Vega's imminent transformation into a dark vortex.
This is nonsense. I completely disagree. Those bookrooms, why don't they come and see how things really are? There is no star in the whole universe like Vega. We can still save it. Hello? Answer me. Do you copy? Hello?
There's no other way. The incantation has been commenced. Withdraw as quick as you can.
No, it can't be. Wait. Vega, you must leave the constellation. You must go now.
It is you. Your voice has been heard across time and space. Room to many stars has been sensed, yet no flame burns hotter than mine.
After my departure, it was nothing but darkness and solitude. Your guiding light was my sole beacon in this endless void for 200 days. My only source of warmth, my everything.
Your heart burns hotter than any star. What does your kind call it?
Incantation complete. Explosion in 3, 2, 1.
The wizards, I will never forgive. My only source of light, my sun, my Vega. Heed my words. I shall become the last flash of light you will see. What a sorrowful dream. Are these tears? You were created to help me. A half-blind old man. Take care of the archives. Yet, look at you now. You've grown to treasure the books. You've learned so much. I'm so proud of you. So proud.
Which stars illuminate the sky above you tonight, my teacher? Now that I have preserved your beloved library in the exact same pristine condition as it was on that fateful day. But sometimes I grow weary. If only you were here, you could have helped me break the curse that fell upon me. Or was this curse part of your plan as well? Is this a punishment for me who dared to covet arcane knowledge? I only wish to know the truth. I beg.
This place is the archives of magic. The treasure trove of our great city. You will be tasked with helping the wizards pursue knowledge and helping me keep the books in order.
I heard that you are interested in magic and old tombs too. Yes. It is uncommon for one of your kind. A cookie. If that is true, you will not find a place more delightful than the archives. Is it so uncommon for a cookie to be interested in magic? I heard about Moonlight Cookie, who studies magic and is even allowed to wield its powers. Moonlight Cookie is very special, unlike you.
Listen to what you're saying. To me, this child is more special than anyone else. Come on, Blueberry Pie Cookie. Come along. Let us not waste time. The Hall of Moonlight awaits us. It is built to the brim with invaluable liquors and priceless materials.
I am honored to be granted such an opportunity. I will read each and every tomb with utmost attention and make sure to prove myself valuable to your research teacher.
How peculiar. Do it, my child, but beware. The language of magic is unlike any other tongue. There is power dwelling within its letters and sounds. Naturally, this boat is built with tombs that are not meant to be taken lightly. Soon you'll realize that the archives of magic is like a primordial jungle swarming with ravenous beasts.
Teacher spoke the truth. The knowledge that lies dormant on these countless shelves has a life of its own. Yet, both teacher and the wizards disappeared, and now only silence remains in the archives. But even now, I discover hidden wonders every day. I have never regretted my coming here. I have even forgotten to keep track of the dates. Teacher, will you ever return? What if I lose my way? However harsh, I need your guidance, please. I've developed a habit lately. I keep endlessly going over every single word the wizards ever said to me. Naturally, most of them were my teacher's words. But there is something the memory wizard once told me. Words that refuse to leave my mind. Moonlight Cookie and I. What makes us so different? I am a cookie, just like her. Whatever she can do, I can do too. I'm sure. The only thing that separates us is our knowledge. Without the wizards in the city, what good are all the roles they once assigned to us? I will learn how to wield the power of magic. I will bind the forbidden power. And thus, I will bring my teacher back. No. Oh no. What is happening? Enough. What is it you are trying to show me? Enough of your tricks. Of course. To this day, I've never fallen asleep to a moonlit night. The exploration of dreams. Was it your doing? Stop bullying around and return to your shop at once. Good. My work here is done.
Hurry up, please. This train will be departing soon.
See.
Milky Way Cookie, Sleeping while on duty again. Your negligence of your responsibilities is becoming increasingly systematic and chronic.
Ouch!
This is your 1 millionth sweet warning, Milky Way Cookie. Either you take your job seriously or...
Come on. Sleeping is part of the job.
I know, but still, not inside the train.
I'd like to take this train if you don't mind. Oh, look, a passenger. Okay, I'll do things by the book this time.
Milky Way Cookie, you...
What's there to be so fussy about? They'll forget everything in the morning anyway. See? They've no idea.
Rules are rules. Your attitude is a blatant violation of the manual.
Alright, chill. Is there something wrong with the train? It's fine, they get checked. The stubby conductor over there will bill you in underest. Now, shoo. Next, move. So sleepy. Huh? Here comes another one. Didn't see you there, pal. Is this my dream you're asking? Maybe not. What do you think a dream conductor's dream looks like? Or perhaps, for a dream conductor, the dreams are found somewhere beyond the boundaries of the world of dreams?
Milky Way Cookie, where are you? Talking to the air now? Stop this charade at once and get back to work!
Alright. See? Looks like our candy cookie is on fire today. Guess I'd better get back to work before something happens. But I'll see you soon, in the world of dreams.